Hi again folks, I'm going to make some turnip soup today. It is very quick, very simple and very inexpensive. I have enough ingredients here for 2 bowls of soup. I'm very fortunate to be able to use my own ingredients that I grew in my vegetable garden this year. I have some turnips, a potato, some garlic and chopped onion, and that is it. That is the basic of our soup. I also have a vegetable stock cube, some salt and pepper and a little oil for the frying pan. I'm going to go ahead and chop everything up and then we'll move on to the cooking part. Right, that's me chopped all my ingredients, my potato, my turnip and onion. I've got some garlic ready to go in a crusher here. First thing I'm going to do is add some olive oil. Chefs will tell you, I'm not a chef. Chefs will tell you, oh, add about a tablespoon, and then you see them adding half a cup. Add my garlic. And I'm just going to add the onion just now as well. Right, so we're going to let them cook up for about 5 minutes. So that's the onions done about 5 minutes now. They'll be nice and soft. And we can go ahead and add the potatoes and the turnip. And we just want to get the 2 vegetables all coated with that lovely garlicky onion oil. There's only one thing left to do now, and that is add our vegetable stock. So I took that wee cube and I diluted it in about a pint of water, and I'm going to add all of this because I want this to be 2 bowls of soup, and that should be enough water to make this the right consistency. There we go. Right, so I am just going to leave that now to come to the boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer until all the veggies are completely soft. As simple as that. That's all the potato and turnip all soft and squishy. So I'm going to liquidize everything, but to do that I need to let it cool to almost cold. So I'm just going to take it off the heat completely, decant it into another jug and just leave it out to cool completely. So I'm going to decant it, half of it at a time, into the Ninja and whiz it up and make it nice and smooth. You like to try some tasty soup?
Certainly would. Oh yeah.
You like it? Excellent. Thank you.